Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing part 2 of my In Love Arts crafting series. I'm so excited. Today we are going to be using the cloud dies from Inloveartshop. I'm going to be doing kind of like a unicorn theme. So really cute. I have my pink scrapbook paper. I have my clouds, which I already cut out in advance. So this is what they look like. I used the baby blue scrapbook paper. I have my blank canvas card, again kind of how we did the graduation card. We're going to do the same thing, but this is going to be a unicorn theme, really pretty. I have some unicorn theme pastel washi tape and all of my tools, and I think we are ready to get started. So again, the first thing that we're going to go ahead and do, and again, these will be linked down below in case you guys want to go check them out from Inloveartshop, as well as my discount code so you guys get some 20% off your purchase. We are going to go ahead and cut up my card stock again. Same method that we did with the graduation paper. We're going to leave a little bit of a white border, and then we're just going to go ahead and cut. Perfect. And this one's going to be fun for any girl that loves unicorns. This is going to be fun for birthdays. You know, you could always incorporate the age. So as you guys remember, I showed you guys the little number dies. You can also say if the person's going to be like, the child's going to be like 5 years old, you can cut out the 5, throw it in there somewhere. So again, we're going to leave a little border. And then, you know, it'll turn into a little birthday card. You can do a baby shower theme for a baby girl, baby boy. All right. So we have our card. We're going to go ahead and lay that on there. Again, you want to make sure you get all of the edges because you don't want anything to lift up on you. And then the middle. And we're going to eyeball everything. Perfect, right? So now we have our washi tape. I'm going to go ahead and use these two right here, kind of how we did the other one, except that I'm going to go ahead and do, actually I think I'm going to do it a little different. Let me see if this works. I'm just trying to see how I like it better. Okay, I think I know what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do the 2 top corners, just like that. Perfect. That looks good. And then I'm going to take this one. This one says Unicorn Magical. I'm going to lay it on top just like that. Perfect. Right? There we have that. So now we're going to go ahead and lay down our clouds. All right, I think that's how I want them. Tuck in any glue that you see. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna add the smaller one to the top. Just like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and take the unicorns as if the unicorns were kind of like flying through the sky. So we're just gonna take one here. And then we're gonna do the same thing over here. How cute is that? And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this one, I Dream of Unicorns. We're gonna put it in the cloud. We're gonna put the rainbow. Trying to see where we can place our little rainbow. Oh, that's cute. And then we're gonna put our stars. Is that not the cutest? Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. This is beautiful. All right, so I could keep adding some more words, you know, like the keep dreaming. Oh yeah, that's cute. Let's go ahead and put this one right here because it also has the shape of a cloud. Really cute. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a white pearl to make it more fancy. And we're gonna place it right there. And then we'll do one right here. And there we have it. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. The cutest little unicorn card. I'm obsessed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's craft with me session. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell button so that you don't miss any of my videos. Check out Inloveartshop. All information is linked down below. I love you guys and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!